Hi everyone, I'm Mary Wall and happy Tapping Tuesday. Here is your level 2 exercise for this week. Okay, so this week's exercise is about flaps. And we are going to start with 8 running flaps on the right foot. So you're going to go flap, 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 flap. Okay, you got to make sure you're changing your weight every time. So again, it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 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 flap. From here, you're going to do 4 flap heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I really want you to pick up those feet. Remember, the weight change should happen when the toes hit the floor. You're not doing flap heel and then changing your weight. The weight changes before that heel comes down. Okay, so 8 running flaps, 4 flap heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel. From here, we are going to do 4 flaps with alternating heel drops. So you're going to flap. You're not really changing your weight here because you got a heel drop left, heel drop right. Flap left, heel right, heel left. Flap left, right. Okay, so that part's going to be flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. All right, let's add that on. So 8 running flaps, 4 flap heels, 4 flap alternating heels. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. Then you're going to do 2 flap ball changes. Flap, ball change, flap, ball change. 1 more flap and a shuffle ball change. Then the whole thing is going to start over on the left side. Let's do just the right side. Try not to travel too much. I'm going to run out of space here, so I'm going to try to keep it kind of small so that I'm not tap dancing against the wall here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 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 heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel. Flap, ball change, 1, 2, and flap, shuffle, ball change. You get to hold for 1 beat, then we start over left. Let's walk through the left side kind of slowly. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 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 heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, and flap, ball change, flap, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change. All right, let's put both of those together. So right and then left. You have 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 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 heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. Flap, ball change, flap, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change. And flap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, heel, and flap, heel, heel. And flap, ball change, flap, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change. Okay, that is part 1 of the exercise. Moving on to part 2. You're going to do 2 flap, shuffle, ball changes with a nice pause in between. So you're going flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change. Just that part again. 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change. Now you're going to do 2 flaps, 2 spank steps, flap, shuffle, ball change. Okay, so that new part, flap right, flap left, spank step right, spank step left. So we're going forward, then back. All right, so flap, shuffle, ball change, hold, flap, shuffle, ball change, hold, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change. Then we do the same thing again on the left side. Flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change. Try to stay on your toes as much as possible. All right, just that new section one more time, and then we'll put the whole thing together. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change. Okay, from the top, here we go. Starting with those running flaps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, heel, and flap, heel, heel, and flap, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel. Flap, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, and flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change. 5, 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, ball change, 1, 2, flap, shuffle, ball change, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel. Flap, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, and flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, shuffle, ball change, flap, spank step, flap, shuffle, ball change.